Alright, so it's Alex here with Mechatex, and today I'm going to be showing you a few different programs with the Tello Robomaster and with the RSP32 board, ESP32 board, and the program I'm going to be using to make these is MindPlus. So the first program I'm going to show you, it's going to take off. Then it's gonna, after about 5 to 6 seconds, it's gonna start taking a video with the camera. Or on the computer, it'll open up the camera screen, and then it'll wait 5 seconds and then land.